please. Before we start, search IQcodec on YouTube. Click on the like and subscribe button. Remember to activate the bell to stay tuned with our latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome back on IQcodec to this new tutorial video. So today this video is dedicated to Hamza Lazarus, which is one of our followers, which has a question. So he was asking us if it is really possible to have more than two WhatsApp accounts installed on the same phone. Yeah, Hamza, the answer to that is yes. So you can actually have 2 or 3 WhatsApp on your Android phone depending on the WhatsApp version you're going to be installing with your different mobile numbers. So for this I'm going to show you guys how I can use 3 WhatsApp account on my Android emulator, which you guys can actually use your phone for that. So as you can all see, I'm using the normal WhatsApp Business and the WhatsApp GB. So you can actually have all of these applications on Play Store. They are 100% free. So let's write down. So first I'm going to be creating as you can see on my normal WhatsApp, I already have an account. So let us move now on the WhatsApp Business account, which I'm going to create using a different mobile number. So country, I'm not going to be using Cameroon. I'm going to use a different mobile number. So and please, if it's your first time to actually be on this channel, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned with our latest update. Thanks. So let us wait for verification code. Let me see. Yeah, 862379. So we are done with the first WhatsApp account. Let us see what it's going to give us. And that's done. So you can see I already have 2 WhatsApp accounts installed on my mobile, on my Android emulator. So the business account, business. So as you can see, we're finally in. So I'm just going to be putting IQcodec so that's all. Category to mobile use. So when this is done, let us move to the next, which we're going to be using WhatsApp GB. So let me verify. As you can see, here's my second WhatsApp account. So let me create the third one using WhatsApp GB. So here it's just the same process. You don't need a different phone number. So I'm going to be using, let me choose Cameroon. So we are back, so let us click on the next button. Allow. So let's wait for the verification code. Three, 6, 9. 371. So when this is done, and that's done. So if you can notice, I have 1, 2, 3 WhatsApp accounts. So with all that said, if you love this video, please click on the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with our latest updates.
IQcodec.